Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be teaching us how to cut a bodice with an insert. The insert is the part with the tulle or the veil net. So let's get started. Just before we start, kindly follow us on all our social media handles on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Pinterest. Search for Wearlala. We also have a sewing group on Facebook, Cut and Sew by Wearlala. So feel free to follow us. Now, to begin this tutorial, you will need to draft your basic bodice pattern. I have done a basic bodice tutorial like some weeks ago, so I'll be dropping the link in the description box on how to draft a basic bodice with the shoulder dart. Okay, so for this particular dress, the insert, let me say the neck width and the neck depth. I used 4 inches for the neck width because it's a bit wide. Then for the style in the picture, the neck is actually more deeper. You can see the two part is actually very deep, but I'll be adjusting mine slightly. Hers is as deep as 7 inches or so, but I'll be doing 5 inches. Just a slight variation in the neck depth. So I'll create my neckline. So you can choose any neckline of your choice. Now to create the insert, there are several variations, like I said, but for this particular one, the insert starts like 1 or 2 inches before the chest line. There are some inserts that starts mid armhole, but this one is very close to the chest line. So I'll mark 1/2 inch on the waistline there. Then I'm going to come down from my chest line, or I'll go up on the chest line by 1 inch. It's the same thing. So my shoulder to the chest line is 7. So I'll just mark 6. That's 1 inch from the chest line. So I'll use my curved ruler now to create a style line for my inserts. So I'll use a pencil first in case I need to make any corrections. Now from the center front on the chest line, I'll be marking about 1.5 inch. Depending on how wide you want it to be anyway. Then it's just a guide for me. So I'm going to use my curved ruler like so, and then I'm going to create a curve there. Then I'm going to link that point to my waistline. So I'll just link it to my waistline like that. But you can see that that place is still looking very sharp. So I'm still going to use my curve to give it that curved style line. Don't worry, I'm still going to highlight with my marker so that we can see what I've done so far. So let me use my marker to highlight it out. Like so. But in reality, you don't need to draft with the marker. You need to draft with the pencil in case you need to make any corrections. I'm using marker because this is a tutorial, and then so that we can see clearly. So this is the shape of my insert. I'm just trying to blend out any sharp edges here and there. So yeah, the shaded part is my insert. And it's going to be on fold. So for the front part, front bodice now, that's been divided into 3 segments. So that's for the front. Then back is back, no big deal, except you want to add yoke to the back. No big deal. So now I'll be cutting out my front and back piece. So just watch me as I cut. Now I'll first of all separate the inserts like this, and then next I'm going to cut out here and then cut out my bust darts, or just fold it like so. I'll use my masking tape to tape it, and then I will blend the sides. So I'll just blend up with my ruler now. I'm going to blend up the sides here. Then I'll just trim off any excess I have there. Okay, so here my front pieces. It's very simple, but I will advise you to watch the previous tutorial on how to draft a basic bodice. Yeah, then for the back, there's already no big deal at the back. This is the back here. You just cut it out and then cut on your fabric directly like this, adding all your necessary allowance. But if you want your back to have a shoulder, that is pretty simple. You just find the midpoint of the back, the shoulder tip there, and then you just connect to the chest line and blend out any curves or sharp point, and then you label B1 B2 so that you don't mix up the patterns, and you just trim out like so. So when you're transferring to your fabric, you want to be adding 1/2 inch to both sides there to join it back. So I have all my pattern pieces ready. It's so simple. Yeah, so I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and feel free to share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.